Okay, so you've bought a boat or you're thinking about buying a boat. So what's out there? You've got wooden boats, you've got steel boats, typically like this beautiful Dutch wide beam, or there's plastic boats, sometimes known as glass reinforced plastic. There's a top trick with any type of boat, whatever it's made of, and that is looking after the top coat. So if it's a metal boat you're looking at, things to watch out for if you're buying or you've just bought, any gap in the hull superstructure is where you get the most corrosion. So watch out for things like this. But if you spot the corrosion, not a big deal. There's loads of stuff out there that can help you to sort it out. Things like this. This is a cutting compound. Don't be too put off by the word cutting, because what that actually means is it does cut into the top layer of paint, but it helps you to get that keyway to get your top surface right. Then there are waxes and polishes, very much the same, and you need a tool to polish them off, which we'll have a look at in a second. So we're going to go across to a plastic boat now and have a look at that. What are the big differences? Well, one thing to really look out for when you're looking at wood, plastic or metal is if you're using a grinder on a metal boat, don't do it near a plastic boat, because the sparks that are given off land on the hull and they cause what are called rust spots, and they're really, really bad for plastic boats. So here's a typical GRP, glass reinforced plastic cruiser, and they are literally made of plastic. These compounds still work perfectly well on them, and you need a tool like this. So there's dual action, there's polishers, and it's something like this. So we apply one of the cutting compounds, we polish them off, and the big secret with keeping on top of the top coat is the rain runs off, they're less likely to attract any dirt and moisture, and the condition of the boat is just vastly improved. So remember, wood, plastic or metal, they all have similarities. Look after the top coat.